Dear students, hope that you are well. I am well too. Today I want to teach you about tense. If you do not know about the structure of tense, you will not solve any kind of grammatical problem. So you must know about the details of tense. At first, I teach you the definition of tense. Tense means time. So there are three kinds of tense. Three kinds of tense. They are present tense, past tense, future tense. Yes. So at first you have to memorize that present tense, past tense and future tense. Now I am discussing about the structure of tense. Present tense, past tense, future tense. There are four kinds of present tense. Such as there are four kinds of past tense and such as there are four kinds of future tense. At first, present indefinite tense. Indefinite. Indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense. Future indefinite tense. Indefinite tense. Tense. The example of indefinite tense is I eat rice. Here subject is I and verb is eat and object is rice. I eat rice, it is an example of present indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense, the example of past indefinite, I ate rice. Subject is I, the past form of eat is ate, and it is I ate rice. Subject, verb, object, and subject V2 and object. I ate rice. This is an indefinite tense. The example of I will eat rice. Subject, be verb and principal verb and object. It is the main example that again I am teaching that I eat rice. It is the example of present indefinite tense. I ate rice. It is the example of past indefinite. I eat rice. It is the example of future indefinite. Present continuous. Past continuous. Future continuous. continuous. The example of present continuous: I am eating rice. At first, subject, auxiliary verb am, is, are can be used, and ing with verb eating and object is. I am eating rice. Here subject is you. যদি সাবজেক্টটা ইউ হয় তাহলে you can use are. You are eating rice. So here I am eating rice. I was eating rice. I was eating rice. Future continuous है I will be eating rice. The example of present continuous I am eating rice. The example of past continuous I was eating rice. Here, if the subject is he, you, be verb is will be where. So here subject is I. So I am here writing. I was eating rice. Future continuous I will be eating rice. If the subject is he, also will be. If the subject is you, will be. You can use will be everywhere. I will be eating rice. Present perfect. Perfect. Past perfect. Future perfect. Here the example is present perfect. I have eaten rice. I have eaten rice. Subject and the verb, then the past participle form of principal verb, then object. If the subject is you, here you can use have. If the subject is he, you can you must use has. I had eaten rice. Subject auxiliary verb had, V3 the participle form of eat, then use rice. I had eaten rice. The example of past perfect tense. I will have eaten rice. I will have eaten rice. Subject, then you will use will have object shall have, then the participle form of verb, and last rice. I will have eaten rice. Present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. Continuous. Future perfect continuous. Continuous. The example of present perfect continuous tense is I have been eating rice. I have been eating rice. Here subject is I, then have been oblique has been, then the ing form of principal verb, and at last object. I have been eating rice. Subject had been and ing form of principal verb, and at last object. I will have been eating rice. I will have been eating rice. Subject plus shall have, will have been, plus ing form of principal verb, and then object. It is the structure of tense. If you remember this kind of structure, you will know, you will solve any kind of grammatical problem. And there are two structures of past perfect and past perfect continuous tense. Here I am discussing about it. The another two kind of structure of past perfect and future perfect tense. Here it is subject plus shall, have plus G3 plus object. Plus before plus subject plus B2 plus object. It is the structure of past perfect tense. The another structure of past perfect tense is subject plus V2 plus object plus after plus subject plus had plus V3 plus object. The example of the first structure is the patient had died. Died before the here subject to the patient had B3 died. Object, there is no object in this kind of sentence. Before subject the doctor and V2 object. There is no object here. The patient had died before the doctor came. The another example of this sentence, the rain started after we had gone to school. Here subject the rain, V2 started, object, there is no object. After subject we, then had V2 gone, V3 gone, object to school. The rain started after we had gone to school. It is the structure of tense. If you memorize this kind of structure, example, you must solve any kind of grammar and you must know and memorize this kind of structure for your better grammatical problem, solve problem. So you must know this kind of structure for your better life and better home. Thank you very much.
Thank you.